Hare Krishna, this is Chaitanya Anand Das again, and what we have over here is this Xpro Majestic Bluetooth alarm clock speaker. You know, you will not find any video on this, only one video, and that also was not made very nicely. So I thought of making this video of this Xpro Majestic alarm clock speaker. So, you know, these kinds of speakers, sometimes bulk quantity of these come, in wholesale market, and I bought about 100 pieces of these. you know Here it is. These are all, I've all opened these up, and those are the boxes over there. You can see the empty boxes of these speakers, and those are the charging cords over there. Those are the charging cords, and those are the boxes. There's one speaker I've already on it. It's displaying some time. There's the time it is displaying. It's like 12 and a half. It's in the 12 o'clock, 12:30 in the night. So late night. In these I have already replaced the batteries. So this is the battery. you know these are the batteries that were there inside. This is the auto cutoff circuit. you know and I removed these covers. This is the cover. That in this cover, this battery is there inside this cover. These were basically 1500 milliampere batteries, and I am replacing these batteries with these ones. These ones I bought from the wholesale market. They come in this covers, and this is, you just open it up. Like this. Yeah, I opened it up, and these are the batteries. So these are the 2600 milliamperes battery. 2600 milliamperes batteries. These are the ones that I have put inside these speakers. Over here you can see this is the speaker. I have opened it up. It has a very nice speaker driver. This is a speaker driver, very powerful one, with a very powerful base magnet. You can see how big the magnet is. Gives a very very nice powerful sound, and it comes in a separate compartment. you know like this. Yeah, that's how it goes. This is the diaphragm, and these are the back covers of these speakers. And you can see what they have done is that there is a separating plate. you know this plate goes inside this. You can see, and this plate basically, as you can see, separates the circuit and the speaker section. And when this plate, when it separates the circuit section and the speaker section, what happens is that when the driver, this is the driver, when the diaphragm moves up and down, it creates a vacuum and pressure, air pressure within, and this is the X bus diaphragm basically. So because of the vacuum and air pressure created by the upper movement and lower movement of the diaphragm of this speaker driver, this also moves like this. because the air is not going anywhere because they have separated it. So then when this moves, this vibrates, the diaphragm vibrates of this speaker, the diaphragm vibrates of this speaker. This is the this is a driver, extra bass driver, and it gets extra bass over here. So this is the speaker over here, and this is the extra bass driver, and we'll just on it. So this is the on button. We have got equalizer also, and call receiving. We have got the play and pause button, you know and we have got volume up, volume down, alarm clock selection. You can select the clock, you can time the clock with these three buttons. And this is a mode button. You can get FM, you know and this is the charging cord, micro USB, 5 volts. It also acts as an auxiliary. And this is a micro SD card slot. They don't have a pen drive USB port, unfortunately. If they have given that also, that would have been much better. And they don't have a earphone plug, but what they do have is a charging cord. I'll just get one. It's not over here. Yeah, it's over here. I got it. So this is what you just put this inside this charging port like this, and go to yes. And the output of this, what you have is this you put it inside a charger like this one. This is a charger, 2 volts, I know, sorry, 5 volts, 2 amperes charger. This is the charger actually I bought specifically for charging these speakers. So whomever I sell these speakers, I also tell them to, I give the speaker along with these chargers, because mobile chargers also give out 12 volts and 9 volts other than 5 volts, and they actually destroy such mini speakers, Bluetooth speakers. So it's always, if you have taken a speaker of this type or any Bluetooth speaker, it's better to have a separate charger. Don't charge your these Bluetooth speakers with your mobile chargers. Most mobile chargers nowadays have this 12 volts and 9 volts also at the output of these chargers. And if you use these chargers to charge this types of Bluetooth devices, whether it's an alarm clock or normal Bluetooth speaker, this 12 volt will go inside these speakers and destroy the internal circuitry, damage it, and then your Bluetooth speaker won't be operational anymore. So कंजूस मारवाड़ी नहीं करने का, कंजूसगिरी नहीं करने का, थोड़ा पैसा खर्च करके अच्छा ये चार्जर खरीद सकते हैं आप. So I always provide these speakers along with the charger, so that the customer always uses this charger, which is exclusively only 5 volts, 2 amperes, and pure SMPS power supply. It's not a ordinary power supply. It's a pure SMS. Quality माल है ये, आलतू फालतू माल नहीं है. The cheap chargers, they are not SMPS. I don't know, God knows what kind of altu faltu circuit they have used in it, and doesn't give pure DC. And this is the auxiliary cable, this, so you can put it in your laptop or any external device, and like your mobile also, or your MP3 player. If you are having old MP3 players, they didn't have Bluetooth connectivity, so you can put it and in the earphone port. This is a 3.5 mm stereo jack pin. This is the right and left channel, and this is the ground point of that. And this cable is also acting as charging also, and also you can use this for connecting to external device, and you can play from the speaker. So 2600 milliamperes battery I have put. This one originally by the company was only 1500. These are all gone. 2017 piece this is. 2017 का माल है ये. तो कितना है 2023. सो 17 यानी 3 और 3 6 साल तो हो गए नियरली, है ना. More than 5 years have passed by since this. So these batteries after manufacturing don't last for more than 5 years. So because 5 years have passed by, these batteries are all dead. I measured the voltages, 0 voltage in all the batteries, all these batteries. There are about 100 batteries are these. They're all showing 0 volt. So as predicted by the manufacturer, the life of these lithium ion 4 volt batteries, they say it is 3.7 volt, but actually you can charge it up till 4.2 volts actually. But the cutoff circuits cut the power off to these batteries at 4 volts. So these batteries get charged up till 4 volts, and just one of this is more than enough for this speaker to function very nicely. This is 2600 milliamperes. Is like nearly 1000 milliamperes more than this battery. So we'll have more backup, and let's on it.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
So Bluetooth, you can connect it to Bluetooth. Then if you want to, this is on Bluetooth right now. You can see. So this is on Bluetooth, and here it is showing the alarm. If I press this alarm button over here, this alarm will go away.
Clock mode.
It is showing clock mode anyway, and it goes away. It's showing full battery. I have charged it for nearly 6 to 7 hours. So when you put it for charging, it goes flip flop, and then when it's fully charged, it stays over here only. That means the battery is fully charged. So that is the indicator, and we'll put it on FM.
The Bluetooth device
This is on Bluetooth,
ready to pair.
and
FM
this
tender.
is FM. So by pressing once, you decrease the volume, or sorry, by long pressing it, you reduce the volume. By long pressing it, you can increase the volume, and by short presses you go forward or reverse. दोस्ती इम्तिहान लेती है. Reducing the volume दोस्ती इम्तिहान लेती है, so that you can hear what I am saying. And it does not have any telescopic antenna. It has a powerful coil antenna inside. There is a coil, there is a antenna, thin antenna wire, copper wire basically, then connects to a coil, and then another wire comes out, and in this way that is the antenna basically. It is inbuilt inside this speaker, and it powerfully catches all even the weakest signals and reproduces very nice FM. So if you are not having a speaker with good FM reception, and then you should go for this Xpro Majestic. It has very powerful FM reception, and you can insert a micro SD card and play from it, and like this. And It does not have any number buttons to select a track, like 1 to 0 numbers are not there. If they had given, that would be even much better, but incidentally they have not given. It has a Bluetooth, so you can connect it to your mobile or any Bluetooth connecting device, and in this way, you know in this way you can play from your mobile through this speaker. So this is a speaker driver, and this is the extra brass driver over here. And let's see the volume. You can see
पर्दा ख्यालों का है सचमुच जरा सामने आ
very good bass you are getting.
चांद को मैं
Clarity and the sound is also very powerful.
आँखों में जी जलाए चांदनी भी ठंडी
how
रातों में
big it is.
ना नींदों से
You can see in my hand, it's not very big,
दिल को यकीन भी है
quite small actually.
आएगा ऐसा दिन भी कभी जब रोजाना के बहाने हो गए अब उम्र भर तेरे इश्क का
And even at full volume, it is at full volume.
ना बदला
This is full volume. But there is no distortion. The radio station is little bit not properly caught. No, it is caught. You can see the bass effect, very nice. Because it is night time, some of the radio stations are shut off. It's like 12:45 in the night, so very few of the radio stations are on.
पर बातें इश्क मोहब्बत की चल रही
This is 0, and you long press it, increases the volume.
You know I'm gonna get you. You know I'll even let you be my chamak chalo. Kaisa sharmana aaja nach ke dikha de.
For our listeners, Indo-Pacific could imply China largely and our own. Any
Radio Mirchi, it's on.
98.3 98.3
Radio Mirchi, it's on.
98.3 Mirchi, it's hot.
जब चलते चलते रह मुड़े
So you can see basically,
खोल उड़े जब
it has a very loud volume for its size. Very good bass is also coming. I apply this Fabi bond at the rim over here on the rim, Fabi bond, and on this plate here, on this plate I apply Fabi bond so that no air escapes from the speaker section into the circuit section, ensuring that no air escapes and you get a very good bass effect. this is what this Xpro Majestic Xpro Majestic Bluetooth speaker alarm clock. Xpro Majestic alarm clock Bluetooth speaker is very nice. This displays the timing, and when you want to set it for alarm, just what you have to do is basically bring it to clock mode.
Line in.
This is line in.
Clock mode.
Line in. This is line in. Basically, you want to connect it to some other external playing source. This is what line in, and this is clock mode. So what you do is just long press this button. This is the pause play button. Just long press it, and just set the timing. So timing is already 12 o'clock. Let's put the timing 12 o'clock. Again you press this one, and let's see 53, and that's set for 53, and at 53 and put the alarm on. So sorry, so we actually changed the timing. So 53 became 54. Anyway, I'll put the alarm again. So this is the alarm, and you again I'll put alarm, and 56. I'll put at 56 and it'll play tt like this, So let's see 54. Maybe I'll put it at 55. 56 is too much. Yeah. That should.
The Bluetooth FM line in. Clock mode.
It's already 55, so I'll put it at 56. And press this to go to the minutes, and just put 56, and it will beep. Alarm will beep. Just to give you, how the alarm clock actually works for this speaker. So this is a video that I made so that those who want to buy this speaker, as you can see, the alarm is beeping, and you can snooze it. If you snooze it, after 10 minutes it will play the alarm again, like that. So this is the Xpro Majestic Alaram Bluetooth alarm clock speaker, and anybody who wants to buy it, you can buy it. It's a very nice speaker, and since I'm putting 2600 milliamperes battery, it will play back. I don't know how many hours. I have not tested how many hours it plays, but it will play for a couple of hours, certainly, like that. Hare Krishna.